If you've also been waiting for a long time for a fantastic Samsung smartphone that's incredibly affordable yet packed with amazing features, then today we've brought something special just for you. Samsung's stunning smartphone is set to feature a 144-megapixel DSLR quality camera. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Alpha Pro 5G smartphone. In today's video, we'll dive into the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So, let's get started. Features of Samsung Galaxy Alpha Pro 5G. This incredible smartphone boasts a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 1.5K resolution. According to leaks, you'll also get 120 Hz refresh rate, 360 Hz touch sampling rate, Gorilla Glass 5 protection, in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. On the back, Samsung's This Beast features a triple camera setup. Which primary sensor is 150 megapixel, yes, you heard that right. Alongside, secondary sensor is 50 megapixel telephoto lens, and third sensor 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens. And for selfie lovers, a 32 megapixel front-facing camera is ready to capture your best shots. Processor and performance. Rumors suggest this Samsung phone could give the iPhone a serious run for its money. It's expected to pack the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, making it blazing fast. And for the OS, it might run on Android 15 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Powering this monster is a massive 6000 mAh battery, supported by 75-watt fast charging, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? While there's no official confirmation yet, leaks hint at a price tag of around $400, yes seriously. As for the launch, Samsung could unveil it by the end of this year.